Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So my mom, she's making mother-in-law, so I have to share it with you guys. This is so delicious. It's like a really delicious hot sauce or pepper sauce that goes with that you mainly get it with traditional East Indian cuisine. So it's so yummy, and she even put in some pomsite in this. I thought that was interesting. So keep watching. She has some more ingredients to add to this delicious spicy treat, and it really did taste really good. So I hope you guys like this recipe and definitely try it. It's super easy. So keep watching. Okay. So this is mother-in-law. It have morai, which looks like a white carrot, and it have karaili carrots, some pomsite, hot pepper that mommy just scoop in there, green seasoning, which is this is just bandania alone that she just added. But it have onions in this too. And she adding garlic, salt, a little bit of vinegar. I'm going to squeeze a lime in this. Well, not a lime. She's gonna put a couple in there. And she already squeezed the rest. Probably 10, maybe 10, mommy. I don't know.
I think about, yeah, about.
And she's going to mix it.
Mix.
Mix it.
It's like a chow with lime.
It's like a peppery chow. Hungry too. The lime smelling nice in it. Mommy added a secret ingredient. She put a little bit of sugar on top. A little touch of sugar makes everything better.
But not too much, please.
Yeah,
because I don't want to.
You'll kill it. It's not supposed to be really sweet. And mix very well. You have to combine everything very well. Very good, nice. Mother-in-law made by my mother.